Good evening, friends. Today we are going to see a new way how we can get free wax out of your NFTs that you have mined so far in Aliens World. Hope you guys are playing Aliens World for last few months, so you have collected few NFTs. Also, I have collected few NFTs. So far we have staked. I have shown you how to stake and earn the rewards of those NFTs in rplanet.io. Sorry for the slow internet connection. It's getting a bit time, but soon we can see that what the scene is. Well, here all of you must have staked your NFTs so far and got some ether out of it every hour. I also staked all the NFTs I got so far, but recently, what I saw a new website called collect.social. What it is offering? First, collect to earn platform. Collect is a social platform for collectors to track their progress, achieve, and collaborate. Well, start collecting. Here is my account, and you all can see that I have got 100 raccoons and 50 raccoons that is unclaimed. I will claim it later. They are providing raccoon coin for their collections, for your collection rather, not their collection, for your collection. What you have collected for so many days with playing in Aliens World, and you collected those NFTs. First, just unstake your NFTs from our planet and come to this collect.social. There you can see those NFTs, you will get some collections. They will create the collections, and apart from those collections, the leftover NFTs you can restake again to our planet and start collecting or claiming ether like what you were doing so far. So right now we will see that how to get Rukun coin, and this is brand new thing, and Rukun coin has just started 3 days ago, and you can sell your Rukun coin to get free wax. I am going to show you. Yeah, here on 28th, on 27th of April, it is been listed on Alcor exchange, and you can see the price is not that bad. It is 0.016 right now. So your collections, your coins will give you some free wax just by clicking some buttons. You will collect some free wax. So it's, you don't have to do anything else. You just unstack those from our planet what you have been staked. So now come to just unstack and click this collect.social thing. I will give my link, and then where there you can get so many things to do. Well, you have to achieve something. So now, right now you can see that I have got one achievement, that is complete first collection. Though I got two collections, you can see I got two collections of NFTs. So now I have to get more and more collections to get into level, to level up my Rokun space. So I have to get more and more collections, and apart from getting more collections, there are lots of way to achieve it. Well, what are the achievements? If you can invite one new user, you can get some point or you can get some coin, Raccoon coin. So you can invite anyone of your family even. It may be your brother or sister, who cares? You just go and invite them. If you invite 5 new users, that is also an achievement. So you invite 5 new users. If you invite 10 new users, that is also an achievement. So the task you will do every day, it your achievement list will be longer and longer, and your level will be up. There is another thing: if you log in 5 days in a row, that is also an achievement. Log in 30 days in a row, or get all the achievements, get 30 friends in collect, everything is achievement. And whenever you will complete some collections, that is also achievement. So you can get some more and more Raccoon coin, and you just collect those and sell those in Alcode exchange. You will earn some free wax. This is very easy. And in friend section, you can get some friends. You just click them, and just like Facebook or a Twitter thing, you can get some friends and you can click them, just add them. That's all. And in progress, check available collections. Though I don't have any other collections so far, so hopefully they will not, they are checking, but hopefully they are not going to give any more collections for me. Yes, check available collections. These are the general collections. You can see, you can click those and look at the price. 1475 wax. This is common arms 81 wax. These are the very good collections. What you can do, if you get good number of wax out of it, just if you get good number of Raccoon coin, and if you sell this at Alcode exchange, you will get some wax, and out of this wax you can go to Atomic Hub and buy some thing. Just hope all of you know how to buy. It's my net is bit slow, that's why it's taking a bit longer time. Sorry for that, but I'm just willing to show you how you can go and buy some collections out of the wax you got for free from Raccoon coin. Here you can open with Wax Cloud Wallet. It will connect to your wallet. You go to market, then you select Alien Worlds. If you got enough free wax, you can buy those and get some collections to your account. You can click those, add collections to your wish list. You can do this, add collections. And if you add collections to your wish list, and then if you finish those collection, it will be benefited for you. So this is the point what I wish to share. This is free token, free Raccoon coin you can earn just by coming here every day for next 5 days or next 30 days, just inviting new friends, just getting few collections. That's all. You don't have to sell any NFT. You can stake your NFTs again to your our planet, and you will start getting those ether what you were getting so far. So that's the point I shared. Hope you all enjoyed, and please do share and like this video if you found this information is very beneficial to you. just just enjoy that, and I'm signing off here.